Hey Ashley, how you doing? Okay, so I've got your banner up here. Let's go and take a look. Top middle, down right hand corner. We did have to move the logo from the top middle to the top right corner. I also had to adjust the opacity of the purple ribbon in the banner because it was too light. Nothing to move the drinks from the bottom left. No, it's the middle of. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and take a look here. So where did it go? Here it is right here. All right, so yeah, I've got some comments I think are going to make some really, really good sense to you. I think right now there's just kind of this ping pong bouncing. The eye bounces back and forth, and that's due to the gravity caused by the visual weight of the logo and the purple flag right here. Those are the most dense areas in the page, and since they're not indigenous to the image itself, the eye is drawn to them. So what happens is if something in a composition has more visual weight than the other elements in the composition, the eye is immediately, like a magnet, drawn to that. It's very difficult to look away. When you have two areas with that same kind of visual weight, the eye kind of bounces back and forth. Okay, sorry about that. At any rate, I was talking about how visual weight acts like a magnet and draws the eye to it, and sometimes doesn't let it go. So, for that reason, I'm going to make a couple of recommendations. I want to remove this banner right here. I think it's really super distracting to the composition itself. I think the next thing we're going to do is this. I want to just mention the fact that in the rubric, it requires you to animate the call to action. Right now, you've got the headline animated. Okay, so what I'm going to recommend is this. I'm going to say we take away the flag, the purple flag, okay? We recompose the headline so it just reads like this. How does that go? Relax, play, enjoy. So that just reads right here. Relax, play, enjoy. Leave that static, don't animate it. Then down here, somewhere down here, animate in 50% off your 2-night days during the 50% off your 2-night stay during the month of May. Fade it in, have it visible for a second, maybe two, fade it out, then continue the loop. I'd like to take this logo and reduce some of that visual weight by reducing the size of the logo, placing it in the lower right-hand corner. You don't need the contact information, so you can get rid of that. What I would recommend is this, is where you place the drinks. You can move the drinks over right here, then right next to the drinks, just say, located in beautiful St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. Okay, and that's all you really need for location because, viewers know that if you click the web banner, it's going to take you to the site where you can, where all of the pertinent information is readily available. So that's a non-issue. Okay, so in summary, remove the flag. Take relax, play, enjoy in one headline right up there, relax, play, and enjoy. Don't animate it. Down here, animate your call to action, fade it in, have it visible for a second and a half, maybe 2 seconds, fade it out, and then continue the loop. Reduce the size of the logo, place it in the lower right-hand corner. Then somewhere down here, probably you'll have to experiment with the color, just, located in beautiful St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, or something like that, and then you can place the drinks right over there next to that location. Okay, and I think that's really going to improve the page mechanics, really improve the visual hierarchy, and improve the behavior of the ad in terms of allowing the viewer to understand where you want them to look and where you want them to look next. Okay, so those are my recommendations. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to address any questions that come up. Okay, thank you very much. Good job.